I wish a very warm morning to respected manager sir, all the teachers and all my dear friends. As we all know that today is the French National Day which is celebrated every year on 14 July. It is also known as Bastille Day. It is a day to celebrate and remember the beginning of the French Revolution following the storming of the Bastille in Paris, which was the fortress and prison representing French royalty in 1789. Following the storming of the Bastille, Marie Antoinette and King Louis XVI fled, leaving the Bastille to be pillaged and burned. The French Revolution was a milestone episode in modern European history. It began in the year 1789 and ended in the late 1790s with the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. All through that time, residents of France were leveling and restructuring their country's administrative landscape, uprooting centuries-old foundations such as monarchy and the feudal system. The turmoil was caused due to extensive discontent with the monarchy and the peaceable economic policies of King Louis XVI. The French Revolution played a critical role in shaping modern nations by showing its goal and at times disintegrated into chaotic bloodbath. The social and political structure of France was completely changed due to this revolution. It came to an end to the French feudalism, monarchy, and took political power from the Catholic Church. It brought new ideas to Europe, including liberty and freedom for the commoner, as well as the abolishment of slavery and the rights of women. These new ideas continued to influence Europe and helped to shape many of Europe's modern-day government. Before the French Revolution, the people of France were divided into social groups called states. The first state included the clergy, church leaders. The second state included the nobles, and the third state. Most of the taxes were used to be paid by third state people, while the nobility lived lives of luxury and got all the high-ranking jobs. Many of the new political ideas and alliances of the French Revolution were formed in political clubs like Jacobin Club. The democratic rights and rights to liberty were the most important heritage of the French Revolution. This spread from France to the rest of Europe during the 19th century, where feudal systems were abolished. Later, these ideas were adopted by Indian revolutionary strugglers like Tipu Sultan and Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Thank you.